Hey, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? We are still on Bitbank. Okay, we are still on Bitbank. Welcome. We have latest updates concerning Bitbank, so make sure you watch to the end. The reason of making all this video is for you to know what is going on, so that if you stay making payment on Bitbank after listening to this video, you can decide whether to continue or whether to quit. Okay, so what my channel is all about is telling you things the way it is, and what I need in return is just very simple. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. You can also comment and tell me what you feel like. I'm there to answer you 247. Okay, so let me show you my account. Let me check it together with you to know whether they have confirmed my payment. Okay, so after that, I will also show you how they are claimed to be paying people. I will show you that in one of the chats that I had with them. Then I'll also show you everything you need to know concerning Bitbank, whether you should continue waiting for them till the 5th of November, okay, when they will open their converts. Okay, when they will open this convert, they promise to open this convert on the 5th, and that on the 5th is when you can be able to convert your BBT to USDT. That's what they are promised. Okay, so we are going to do everything together. Okay, because that's what I got from them, that on the 5th of this month they will open this place. You can be able to convert this. Let me just say that I want to convert 5051.2. okay, that's 71 USDT. Okay, that's 71 USDT. If I want to convert, like if I want to convert now, the exchange won't work. Okay, let me just give you example. Like I want to convert right now, not yet open. Yeah, so they say that this option will be open on 5th of November 2022. So let me keep showing you. Let's go back to my wallet. I click on wallet. So if I click on wallet right now, I go to withdraw. Okay, follow me step by step. Let me show you everything. You see record here. I'm going to go to this record. I click on record. As you can see, this is to be confirmed since on 31st October 2022. Okay, I'm yet to be confirmed. Let me just give them the benefit of doubt that maybe they are waiting on that 5th, because that's what one of them told me. That's what one of them told me. So let me go back. Let me go back. So the website is still working, is still functioning. Like if you want to listen to their announcement, if you want to know what is happening in Bitbank, okay, another way to know is to go to this particular place. That's where you will get their direct message. So once you click on this place, as you can see, everything they are doing here, they mention it on their website. Okay, this is news announcements. That's this one. If you want to learn more, you can come here. So after this, we are going to visit their Telegram channel. We are going to visit their Telegram channel for me to show you, because they claim to be paying people, but what they say is that it's slow, but they are still paying people. And one of the staff, okay, one of the managers tell me that because we believe on Bitbank that they will never disappoint us. But I don't know whether the reverse is the case. But let's keep waiting and hoping that this will work. But before you invest more on Bitbank after watching this video, that's the decision you will make by yourself. Okay? That's the decision you will make by yourself. So like I said, I don't follow others to condemn people until I test mine. Okay? Maybe some people might be making mistake, and if I go there, I will correct it, then the case will be different. So if I test mine and the case is not different, then I'll join them to condemn that website. That's how I do my own. I don't just come or maybe video because other people are making videos. I do my own research. To be sure of what I'm doing. So let's go. Let me show you on their Telegram group. Let's go. The channel started with even charity. Okay, charity pool. The things they are doing here makes it very unique. I wonder what might go wrong. Okay, as you can see here, what they are saying here is that November 5th, okay, they are going to open BBT swap USDT service, open BBT deposit and withdraw service. The current price of BBT is 0.0072 USDT. That's the current price. So after the swap is opened, BBT can be transferred to SunSwap for trading. Okay, that's what they have said here. So let me just give them the benefit of doubt on this, because I'm not trusting those people anymore. I know that a lot of people will say that they notice these things. I also notice it even at day one. But like I said, that I don't condemn people because others are condemning them. I do my own investigation to confirm, yes, this is truly what others people are saying. That's me. So what I want is just smash that subscription button, keep liking this video, keep commenting, keep telling people about this video. You can share also, so that a lot of people will learn from what I'm teaching right here. Okay, let's go to Telegram channel. I come to Telegram channel, BBT point redemption. Okay, this is what they are saying, that the app is still working perfectly, and showing me or showing us here that a lot of people have been cashing out. Okay, that's what they show here, that a lot of people have been cashing out, and this cashing out might even be them. Okay, but let me not just say anything till my conclusion concerning Bitbank. So as you can see, this is the screenshot of what they are claiming, that a lot of people have been cashing out. This is it, completed, withdrawal completed. So they have, okay, the users have passed KYC. Okay, this is the users. I don't know whether your own is here. So this is message from Bitbank and D. So the person said, hello everyone, since there are still some Bitbank Royal users who have not submitted their KYC audit, the Bitbank Foundation have contacted the American Anti-Money Laundering organization for several consultation, the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System agreed to extend the 48-hour KYC verification time for Bitbank platform users again. Please, everyone, hurry up and submit the verification. Thank you very much for your trust and support to Bitbank. Okay, this is latest update. Okay, and this message comes as 11:04 p.m. yesterday. Okay, day before yesterday, I think. So what they mean here is that they have extend the KYC or the audit, okay, that you can keep submitting yours if you wish to. Okay, that's what they mean here. So after going through all those things, I still think that they are still going to do something. I don't know. So the choice is yours. If you wish to continue with Bitbank, the choice is yours. Okay, I won't tell you to quit. I won't tell you to continue. The choice is yours, because I made every decision on my own. I believe you will do the same thing. If you think that this is scamming alerting, you can quit it. Okay, at least that's one thing we see on online platform. That's the reason why I stand on the front to tell you before it reach your turn. Okay, what I do here is that I go and do research on what is working and what is not working. And once I see something that is working and something that is not working, here to show you how I'm doing it. Okay, your own is to choose whether to follow me or not. Okay, but I believe that someone that will be teaching you or showing you things that is working and things that is not working, what you should do now right now is follow me. Okay, follow me so that I will keep showing you things. You will be the one to decide whether to do that or not. All right, thank you. And if you have any question, okay, if you have any question, you can ask. I think this is their dinner or lunch. Okay, this is what they show me, or this is what they show us here to tell us that the Bitbank is still working. So thank you for your time. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm there 24/7 to answer you. Peace out.